May the 13th marks the birthday of Empress Maria Theresa. She founded Wiener Börse, the Vienna Stock Exchange, among other things. The Vienna Stock Exchange introduced the ATX and first published it in 1991, also on May the 13th. However, it has been calculated since the beginning of 1991 with a starting value of 1,000 points. The ATX comprises the 20 largest and most heavily traded stocks on the Vienna Stock Exchange. This attracts local and international investors. Since the beginning, the shares of OMV, Verbund and Wiener Berger have been represented in the index. But why this leading index? It is a daily barometer of sentiment reflecting the performance of the most important Austrian stocks. These company shares are bought and sold by investors worldwide. As a result, share prices change continuously from 1 millisecond to the next. Depending on investors' current assessment of a company's future and based on economic and global political events, the share price changes. With the ATX, investors are able to track this development in real time. The current status of the index can be viewed at any time on the website. Shares are weighted according to their value and turnover. Larger shares have a stronger influence on the index. The composition of these 20 companies may change twice a year according to defined rules. The ATX is a price index. It is determined only based on share prices. This is true for most indices. The ATX is often compared to the DAX, the leading index of Deutsche Börse, the German stock exchange. However, the DAX is a performance index. It also includes dividends. They are a part of the profit that the company pays out per share to its shareholders. The Vienna Stock Exchange also has such a performance index, the ATX Total Return. Dividends make a big difference. Most companies in the ATX reliably pay high dividends. This is shown by the ATX Total Return. In addition to their function as a sentiment barometer, indices also serve as underlyings for financial products. Thus, anyone can invest in the ATX. Risk diversification is the main advantage of a basket of shares compared to single investments. The average yield of the ATX total return per year is around 6.4%. This means that anyone who invested 10,000 euros some 30 years ago will be glad to own 64,300 euros today. Stay informed, because knowledge is the best investor protection.